The van full of fat, twin. Bro, it's 7:48, bro. Youngest plumber in Florida doing this shit, man. Y'all boy can see I'm way somewhere in Mississippi right now. Drinking fountain to do today. Start the week off with $3, you know. Can't beat that, man. So I got a drinking fountain, so bring y'all boy with me. Let y'all boy see what I got going today. Start the week off with a banger. Finna get full effect. Finna show y'all boys what the youngest plumber in Florida gotta do. Showing y'all what the youngest plumber in Florida gotta do to get a Hellcat, bro. So y'all can see gas station right here by the hotel, yo. So nigga ain't have to go nowhere to get gas. Your boy almost on E. Oh, man, my fucking brakes is horrible, bro. Show y'all boy how much it costs to fill up. Cause I'm gonna need your boy in Mississippi. I'm probably like, nigga, I'm probably like 8 hours from the crib, bro. So I'm finna have a long ass drive today. It's gonna be a long one. Please pay inside. What? I put $85 in it, bitch. So usually it take about $105 to fill this bitch up. You know, if this bitch on EE, usually take about $105 to fill this bitch up. So y'all boy can see we go 87, motherfucker. We ain't doing none of that. All that extra good. We go regular schmegular 87, motherfucker. So y'all boy can see that bitch filling up. So as you boy can see, right now I'm pulling up the Ferguson where we get all the good goods. Man, pull up the Ferguson. They got everything out there, bit. As y'all boy can see.
Slave plantations all around that motherfucker.
You say slave plantations?
It used to be slave plantations all the way around that motherfucker. Old slave houses. You know, that was all slave land back in the day.
For real?
Right, everything in Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, oh, that was all slave. That was slave states.
Oh man, look at the rail. Oh yeah, look at the railroad station track. Look like some slave junk. What the? I gotta show you this video, man. What? This is crazy. Like yesterday I seen this one building. It said twin. Your boy had back in Mobile once again. Y'all boys see the history. Y'all boy didn't really get to see Mississippi like that, but Mississippi more historical than goddamn Mobile shit. But as y'all boy can see, back through the tunnel once again, just like we just went through a portal. I think it's water up there, so you know, we going underwater right now, bro. Some sand. So look, YouTube, I got the drinking fountain. I just picked up some pumps out here at this warehouse. I just picked up some pumps in the middle of the warehouse, so I just got them. Everything is in, loaded. I gotta go install these drinking fountains, get it back to Florida. As y'all boys know, I'm up in Alabama. I was just in Mississippi earlier, and I will be headed back. You know, I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. As y'all boys can see, I just picked up at the warehouse. I had to come get some stuff. Everything is picked up. We're good to go, baby. As y'all boys can see, it's an industrial park of full warehouses and stuff. As y'all boys see. But yeah, man. Boy, got big boy snakes over that bit. I had to go Five Guys to get the peekaboo. Best burger spot, best burger joint. Y'all boys see the burger though, with the fries. I'm on the job site. YouTube, y'all boy can see. Man, shit, down there got everything out this bitch. Man, y'all boys can see. I'm about to install these LK drinking fountains in this shit. So as y'all boys can see, I got the LKs right here. Finna put them in. As y'all boys can see, man. First thing I gotta do though, y'all watched the previous videos, I already explained what I'm about to do. Gotta cut out this part first. Cut this out first. The main drinking fountain's gonna sit here. Secondary drinking fountain gonna sit here. As y'all boys can see, 2 drinking fountains. So go get my cordless sawzall. to cut this plywood up. Plywood up right here. It's gonna go probably try to put a piece right here, and I'm gonna try to put a piece right here. So to hold that bad boy up, as y'all can see. But yeah, this should be able to cut through this plywood. Got a drywall right here to make the repair patch right here. So y'all boy can see, man, I gotta get the drywall mud, the tape, and the screws. Yes, sir. Bought my drywall tape, mud, screws. Gotta put my receipts in the bag. Put the receipts in the bag. Receipts in the bag. So first, just like these. Put that plywood in, so you know, make the hole. So YouTube, I got the drywall patch back straight. I'm about to put the tape and stuff on it and stuff. As y'all boy can see, the all purpose. So YouTube, as y'all boy can see, got the drywall mud on that bitch. Drywall mud on that bitch. Just open these bitches up. Oh, I gotta show y'all. Open these bitches up. Y'all can see. Drinking fountains. Goddamn LK motherfucker. Man, bitches look good, but these bitches will cut the shit out you. These bitches is sharper than a bit. The bitches cut me multiple times. Man. LK, these are what they gonna look like sitting right there. But what took me so long was to fix this patch. That bitch look kind of poop. That bitch look kind of trash right now, but you know. Cool. So y'all boys can see that the first drinking fountain is hung up. Gotta pull out the second one. Second one's sitting there. Gotta hang out the wall hanger. But as y'all can see, it does fit on the wall perfectly and flush. So now I just gotta get a supply line, P-trap, and everything for that good stuff. And then, of course, we got the second one sitting here. So y'all boys can see the second drinking fountain. Just gotta get this. Oh, I hang the part off. YouTube, man. Y'all boys can see YouTube. I almost got it bit connected. Whoa. Oh, yeah, this bit connected here. Hey, YouTube, man. As y'all boys can see, I am now connecting the drain pipes so that the water can flow and drain the necessary way it need to be. You see what I'm saying? Just gotta connect these now. And the P-trap as well. As I'm about to finish connecting these pipes, and I'm gonna get back with y'all once these pipes is fully connected and the drain is you know, functioning properly. YouTube, y'all boy can see no leaks, no name, all good. Drinking fountain's good, freshly installed. So y'all boy can see. Brand new 2 drinking fountains. Good go. I speak chase, I know I'm a leader. She be acting like a sweetheart, but I know she's a demon. I I just pulled out my quad flow. So my baby get the trippin'. Going fuck my side hoe. Yeah, this get annoying. This bitch sound like a loud hoe. And now you so versatile. How you switch your sound, bro? See, everybody wanna go to Love. I'ma go to Inland. Sight, I ain't gonna know Inland, boy. I don't even know what the fuck a Inland is, nigga. Say I put on ring orange. Business fat. Like she do porn. Man, all these boys out, they be sleep. Man, I'm about to hit the road. All I do is come to get some gas, man. My dogs with me. They my only security. With my follower, trying to see what bitch I pick. It's like an audible. I wake up, my mood switch. Getting fueling. I told y'all, boy, we go 87 on the fuel. You feel me? We go 87 on the fuel. And then we just let that bad boy fill up, man. See what I'm saying? We just let that bad boy fill up. So y'all boy can see, man. Monday is my Friday, you feel me? See what I'm saying? Monday is my Friday, so y'all boys, I'm finna go home, bro. Nigga finna go home and shit, go to sleep, bro. I'm finna be asleep all day. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's 2 o'clock right now. By the time I get home, bro, it's gonna be 6:30, bro. Like, no cap. It's gonna be 6:30 by the time I get to the crib. So once I get to that bit, I was gonna go get my brake changed in the morning, but I ain't even gonna get home till, but she the fuel though. Nothing, man. This shit gotta fill up, man. And fucking the van, nigga. Y'all boys see this shit. I'm out here thugging it. Y'all boys see the gasoline going up. See what I'm saying? But yeah, but I just like the.
I need trip, I hit YB. I need G-Shot, hit YV. I need new chain called King. Purple guts outside green. Shit look like Sprite Lean. Making you the MVP. You just missing 5 more rings.
I can feel it in my soul.